You will love the features of this 2015 Chevrolet Malibu. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Malibu delivers the comfort and convenience of a four-door luxury midsize with the refined agility and sculpted looks that inspire true driving pleasure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated driver's seat, keyless entry, fog lamps, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth, leather seats, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats. Your family deserves security and comfort. You deserve to have some fun. Test drive the Malibu.